Hi guys, it's Stu here from 3B, and I've got an announcement to make. But before I make that announcement, I just want to introduce you to someone. So, if he's there, are you there? Hello?
Yeah.
All right. Are you coming in? Yeah, you want me to move?
Yeah.
Okay, I just gotta make some room because he's a fat bastard. Oh. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah? Okay, you're looking good.
Thank you.
What's you've lost the stubble.
The beard. Yeah. Well, not the beard, but the stubble. But you see, you've still got it.
It's just stubble, you know. But you look good. You know, you sort of freshened up. Well, you know, got the tie. So what's all that about then?
I've got caught.
You got caught?
Yeah.
You know, I didn't think it'd be long before they caught up with you.
It's steady
So
on.
what are you in for?
Nothing bad. It's just jury service.
Oh.
I've done nothing wrong.
Oh, right.
So,
okay.
yeah.
So you've done nothing wrong?
Not at all. No.
You sure?
Well,
You look
not this
a
time.
little bit dodgy.
Yeah, I know, but not this time.
Hey.
It's, you know, you're the one that looks dodgy,
It's
you
nice.
know.
It's just normal, just relaxing, chill out.
Yeah, so it's for...
Okay.
I just got to turn up, sit on a jury. I don't know what it's for, or, you know,
Right.
but...
So when is this?
Next Monday.
Wow.
Yeah,
And
the 5th.
how long?
For 2 weeks.
What?
I know, it's
2 weeks?
ridiculous. I
thought it was
didn't
like
think
just a day.
Yeah, me too. I thought it would just be for a day only, but no, it's a
2
minimum
weeks?
of 10 days, 2 weeks.
At least.
At least 2 weeks,
2
yeah.
weeks.
So
Wow.
it could be much
So
longer.
what's going to happen? What are you going to do about 3B? Or what are we going to do about 3B during that time?
Well, hopefully we'll try and do some
Right.
videos, but we'll do our best pretty much. If not, you know, we'll try and squeeze the odd one in here and there.
So we're going to try and do videos,
Yeah.
but don't hold your breath. Is that,
Yeah.
is that what you're saying?
Yeah, don't hold your breath, but, you know, if there's problems or anything,
Right.
you know,
Right, okay.
I'll just have to look to try and do them at the weekend if it really causes a problem and it's going to be longer than 2 weeks, you know, I'll have to just sort of do them really at the weekends if possible.
So we may not, but we'll try our best.
Pretty much.
Hopefully it will just be for 2 weeks. So
Well,
we're
yeah,
going to be off air sort of from next week for 2 weeks. You'll either see either one of us do a video. Hopefully, if it's beyond those 2 weeks and we're not getting the opportunity to do videos, we'll just do them at the weekend, and the family and everyone else will have to understand. Is that right?
Yeah, pretty much. You know,
Yeah.
we'll just have to try and squeeze them in.
Well,
whenever
good
we
luck
can.
with that.
Thanks. You know, I'll just have to sort of suck it and see.
So,
really,
yeah, I best. You best.
it's
get
not.
on
It's a
with that
surprise. Yeah, I guess.
next Monday, right?
Yeah, so it's Monday.
Okay.
We'll see what happens.
All right, then.
Not really looking
So-
forward to it.
We'll see you very soon. Don't forget to check out our videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And take good care from both of us.